You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Yes, this is a name from Italian originally, so we're going to look at the Italian pronunciation and also how to pronounce it in English. The Italian pronunciation is as Matteo. Because you have a double T, which generally is, at least in Italian, you have to stress on that double T. This is obviously Italian for Matthew, Matteo. Hebrew meaning gift of God. In English, it's usually pronounced similarly as Matteo. There's not necessarily as much stress on the T in English, Matteo. Rarely is it pronounced Matteo. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. And where you're from. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.